Polysolver is a product designed to absorb oils and hydrocarbons spilled into the soil and surface water in order to treat bilge waters and contaminated cisterns. It is intended for those who work in the field of environmental safety for refineries, ports, fuel service areas, and any industrial situation where there are risks of hydrocarbon spills. Polysolver allows site and off-site treatment with mobile or fixed installation with unlimited dimensions. Polysolver is the ideal additive for all soil washing and flotation operations. The use of Polysolver improves treatment of soil contaminated by hydrocarbons and decreases reclamation costs. Polysolver is a polymeric powder compound with the addition of organic material and chemical indicators. It is inert from chemical point of view. It does not react with acids or bases, and it is not dissolved by strong solvents. Polysolver ingredients are mixed recycled polymers, purified and stabilized. Synthetic polymers are a class of substances which allow technological evolution of the 20th century. Great innovation in all scientific and technological sectors have been possible thanks to polymers. The large diffusion of these substances has produced a recovery problem. Only few plastics can be recovered as raw material in industry, while most of them are wasted. In the 21st century, we need to find valid ways to use this heterogeneous field that has enormous potential still unexplored. One of these concerns the use like absorbent material. Many polymers have specific cell structures, such as polyurethanes foam, that can be effectively used for different purposes than the original. Between products made with polymers, there are foams, often used as sponges for refrigerants in air conditioners and refrigerators, in furniture and cars upholstery. Foams are produced by a mechanical expansion system through gas during the curing stage. In this way, cells from 2 to 100 microns are formed on cells having diameter of few microns, which can include gases and nonpolar liquids. Our work has highlighted the characteristics concerning polyurethanes produced from recycled, properly prepared as absorbents forced oils see spillage in the preparation of anti-pollution barriers and reclamations. Polysolver allowed to find a high sustainability solution to a waste as polyurethane, which is currently transferred to landfill. Polymers of different densities and origins, after being cleaned by foreign material and emptied from the present chemical charges, are fragmented, losing the characteristics shape of the cell but keeping a good absorption characteristics. In the Polysolver production system, there is a fragmentation that is suitable to preserve the characteristics of the absorption and lightness of the product. The product at the right dimension is mixed with our additives and then packed. Now let's see how Polysolver acts in laboratory. Product mixed with water. The liquid to be cleaned from oil is shaken, and into the vortex is placed Polysolver in necessary amount, at least 1 kg for 10 kg of oil. Then the product will assume the aspect of small balls of 3-7 mm diameter, and it will aggregate to the surface of the compound. The water becomes clear again, except for the presence of particles of other nature in suspension on which Polysolver not affect. Polysolver can be used in mixtures of water oil with even higher percentages of contaminants. Considering that oil tends to disperse on extremely large surface, it is necessary that the product is spread on oil using the maximum possible surface. In this way, the oil will tend to concentrate in the product and to expel water. Flotation is based on the separation of hydrophobic particles in large tanks. For example, hydrocarbons from hydrophile particles. The soil is screened by water and air. In tanks, dirty fraction go up in the form of foam, which is separated and treated.